brown.
Ano ba yan si Dada? Pinaliguan ka ng pulbo. Ihag kuya mo. Please. Good job. Good job, teacher. Smile. Oh, mga anak, what do you, anong gusto niyo paglaki niyo when you grow up? What do you want?
I want to be the police officer. No,
Oh.
do you first one? What? You please, will you please?
How about you, Chay Chay? What do you want to become?
Please.
Police. Wow.
Yeah. Be police.
What's your favorite colors, mga anak?
My favorite color is red and blue.
Red and blue. How about you, Choy? What is your favorite color?
A red and blue.
Red and blue too?
It's Tati brothers.
Your brothers.
Tati brother.
Mm,
Me and the big brother. And Buki is the mother.
okay. Choy, what is your favorite toy?
I'm playing this up on my favorite.
Again?
On my dance. And my hat and my table. My bat, my pistol.
Police car and
And paper.
Fire truck. That's your favorite
my
toy. What's yours, kuya?
I want to be it. I want to be Transformer.
Transformer.
What's my favorite
Yes, just
toy?
lay down there. Just lay down. Just lay down. Who is your best friend? Choy,
What did you know the best pen?
who is your best friend?
There's the one in.
Huh?
Oh,
Who is your best friend? Shh, no toys allowed. No toys allowed here. Ay,
you.
you're not listening again.
You.
Oh, who is your best friend? No, who is, come on. Who is your best friend?
It was you. It's you. The two doors. LMA and this door. I don't know his name.
That's your best friend. How about you,
over
Choy?
there.
How about
This Dada.
you and Dada? That's your best friend. Wow. You're so cute, my love.
Maybe